whatever.
Here I
whatever.
know.
Tell them about the studio.
Hold
What
on.
year you build the
I'm
studio?
going to start the whole thing all over.
Yeah.
I migrated to America September 9, 1971. When my mother sent for me. Right? The first of four. I come to America. I come with 1345 in my suitcase. I may have thousands today. I start play sound 1973. When me come to the business, me and Carnell from Sun Junior are the two youngest youth in the business them time. Like Pierre big man and Carnell probably about 2 or 3 years older than me. But we was the two youngest youth that we can revolutionize the business as youth. But that time you have Sir Dan Lion, Scatterlights, Menzie, all kind of sound man, bigger man than we. And then as time go by, 1991 April, I built the studio. You know. Matter of fact, before the studio, 1985, I start produce. And one thing leads to another to build studio and stuff like that.
Wow.
And produce tune first, then we build studio after.
You have some of the tune them where you produce?
Yeah, man. I have every tune I produce.
I'm going to make you play. But all right. Before we start with the producing thing, can you start the sound system first?
Yeah.
You remember?
From where I go to school.
From where I go to school. You remember that you say you work with some tune from Jamaica?
Yeah.
Right? You remember them tune where you work with?
I work with Stick By Me.
That's
Cherry
Charles.
Baby. Linger a While. Where again? Let Me Tell You Boy. A couple tune, you know.
Yeah. Why?
But some of them I still have them.
You still have them tune?
Yeah.
Wow.
And they're from 1971.
So before, so you was into music in Jamaica them time?
No, really, no. Actually, when I live in Jamaica as a little youth, my mother used to curse me. Because when I live in Maxwell Avenue as a youth, and I live beside a dance hall and one in front of me. I live beside one and Brown dance hall and dance hall in front of me. So what we used to do is get back and stop at them, which if we dance we call back. You see the cover for your buckle, soda buckle.
Yeah.
You used to beat out flat and make a little turntable. So when the man change a record, me change one of my own too.
So you copy him?
Yeah. Then when I live at Bright Avenue, you know, 50 Bright Avenue dance, keep in my yard. I used to do the same thing. I used to have hundreds of back stapple. And my mother says, we don't show them something. And somebody said, leave me alone, man. You don't seem interested in music. And then I come to America, I just come with some record as a youth. I come to America. I start going around this. I buy a record at evening time. That time I used to go to school named Alexander Hamilton, Vocational Technical High School, kind of Albany and Bergen, which becomes Paul Robin today. And so, leave school at evening time, go around this, go buy a record, go to work. We meet Dan them time at men's record shop and so.
So you meet Dan one from in the 70s?
In the 70s. So all someone that go and them know Dan long time.
Wow.
Them just know Dan last week when we are walking my school bag.
From in the 70s. Yo, on hear that? Them people you call brother, not my friend.
You see it?
Them you call brother. From in the 70s.
And we hang out a record shop till Dan have record shop, studio, all of it. We elevate na different things. Even do this, and all of it. You know, see it?
Wow.
I may have play sound from 73. Them days I own everything outright. Me not a partner. You say I love when I talk. This is boop, boop, boop. And me and a friend of mine named Martin start that boop, boop thing I dance. A boop, boop with the bass. No man never start now. We start them thing there.
Wow. So when you start the sound system in New York?
1973.
No, I say when you start the sound system, which sound system was around?
Dan Lion, Menzies, Sir Dan, Scatterlights, Barry OGs. I pay a big man in sound business. Like me say, me and Carla two youngest youth to come to the business them time there. As youth. And we have fight against them big man and rub shoulder with them.
How much dance hall we used to go them time?
We used to go to dance hall like
Sterling Place.
National called Trojan.
Yes.
And we used to go to Deer Case Center, Bedford Avenue, Troy Avenue, where you go past the bank, we call Overdale. You know, see it.
Why you tell me about some place, I know the building them, but...
And when we are going to stage show first time, a suit and tie we wear.
Yeah.
That time we go Alton and Dennis Brown and them come to America, we sing on table and we clap when the man them sing. And go all a cocktail sip. To the Sunday, a cocktail sip we gone.
What the place where that Utica Avenue on President Street again?
Utica President, you know what you're talking about. I'm playing about 3 times.
Alton and used to singing.
Oh shit.
Don't remember that place name.
Alton is used to singing at the place.
We used to go to a place at Franklin and Fulton named Tropical Cove. At them place there.
Yo, share the life. Enough history today. Enough history. We don't reach nowhere.
So call that place of St. Mark's, Bedford and Rogers. The building still lock up same way. Go take in stage show. I tell you, when I'm at Madison Square Garden on Saturday evening alone, hear Jamaica music on radio.
So how was the music in
And
those
one money I
days?
played at Gil Bailey.
Yeah? Gil Bailey
Gil
and
Bailey.
Carl and Tony and Jeff Barnes.
Jeff Barnes.
In the 70s?
In
Yes.
the 70s.
Gil Bailey?
Jeff Barnes, Carl and Tony.
And
Wow.
then after come
And then
Williams.
Ken Williams come after. And by the LC station, about 50 minutes, the frequency switch.
Yeah,
You have to
different
tune back
thing,
the
man.
radio again. WWRL, well, listen them time there.
Yeah, you have to give it to Mr. Bailey because
You see
he
it?
used to buy him time.
And them days, you know, the days after $1 and $2 go a dance and party, you know. So this is come right back.
But in them days, you know, dollar and two, in them days, in the 70s, enough money.
But when you keep a dance, you make a 200 get, you make enough money, you're
Enough
rich.
money.
Yeah, that's it. And they drink a thing called Miller Nips and you dance calypso, you dance reggae, you dance everything. And I like nowadays.
So in them days, was it mixed like you have different white people in the dance? I just black people alone.
No, just
That's our community people.
that's all come to be American, you know, because them time a lot of we used to do with American woman. American they were not far away or vice versa, whatever.
Okay.
But we used to be we.
Okay.
And we the more united them time too. Because there was them days we used to call coconut, so we come from banana boat and all them things. We no come when we done paved out the way for now.
Wow.
You see it?
Wow.
So we there
Yeah, share the life. Done one certain time in the building. You know me I say, real talk, IG.
So enough things we go through.
Me want to know enough of the thing them. Me want to know.
Then you're going to know enough of the
Me
thing.
want to know enough of the thing them.
We used to go on a bus ride. Leave all dance and go straight a bus ride. Then them that bus alone are going to all 15, 20 bus.
And car, man, I drive him car.
You understand?
But in them days, we went forward. Because the music, did the American people them understand the language them time?
No more than so.
Like me say, if them there amongst with them, we understand it.
Who them amongst you?
Yeah. You understand?
But when the music really bust, I when Eric Clapton sing I Shot the Sheriff. And then Femone start playing and realize, say, wait, Bob Marley do the original and Femone start playing.
Well on. Come again. Make me hear that one.
When the music really take over the areas, and when Eric Clapton from England sing the song I Shot the Sheriff, and it them a play it regular.
On the radio station.
Yes. So them come from
But them not
outside.
play the Bob Marley
Them
version.
never know about the Bob Marley.
never know
till
about the Bob
somebody
Marley.
say it's a cover version and them start play Bob Marley one. And Bob Marley one bust
Take
right.
off.
And then him come with the Exodus album. Thing over.
Wow. And which year was that? No, that was in the 70s. But
Yeah, in the 70s, man. That time I worked for a man named Gig Young. I drive him bread van. But it was 74. Oh yeah, 74. Sometime there.
That after TSP.
so,
No, before TST.
so, all right. Anyone who want to meet Bob Marley personal, like,
Bob Marley, my friend. Bob Marley, Peter
Never
and
meet
Bonnie
him, no.
Wheeler are my friend. But we used to go to First Street. And then I'm town school me going now. Me and Delano Stewart and Ken Booth. And a Ken Booth make me know Bob Marley, man, stranger call. Because every Monday, we go to First Street after school. And we stay over there, and after we stay over there till the night, then Monday night we go listen to Coxon Sound and Art Street, a place named Carnival. Most time me and Delano Stewart wind up asleep under the house bottom. Because we can't go and bus leave way.
wow.
We know Bob Marley, my par. Peter Church, my friend. Me so Peter Church play upon several sessions for me. Him and Leroy Sibbles. Can't ask Leroy Sibbles, you see him. A years we know the man from Jamaica.
They done one. Real foundation.
Peter Touch, I'm a good friend. Andrew Touch, can't tell you that. I'm a good brother.
You know, because Andrew Touch used to come in when I studio.
Yeah, but me, Bonnie, a Bonnie sister, a Andrew mother.
So what really inspire for you? I know you're there with Mr. Dad and
No, well,
what
you
really inspire you
me,
for?
you know, for going to the music business. When me out there now through me grew up with Ken and Stranger, and me know Alton, me know the whole of the artists them. When me joined the army now at 18 and a half and me going there, at time Mr. Dad done farm scatter light. At time me and Sonia there, Mr. Dad, wife, sister. So when me going to the army now, me realize, so wait, what better musician in the world more than out the street?
More musician in the
Better musician.
Oh, better.
And more musician too, because a big military band. So me just start going to the band room, and the man him realize that me know the artist them from out the street. So me start carry Ken Booth, Stranger Cole, Delroy Wilson, Cornell Campbell, going to camp.
So how was the artist them in them days? How was,
peer
how
love,
was the
man.
love? Oh, yeah.
Peer love. Because if an artist here you do a tune, everybody are joining in and put in them parts, so the tune always come out as a good tune. But when it comes to Christmas, everybody wants a hit tune because if you don't get a hit tune, you know, go up on a stage show, a war theater, or Carib, or Regal. So every man have to
So
come
Christmas
out there.
time, everybody have to step up them
Have
things.
to step up them game, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Ward
man.
and Regal in the place there as an artist. You're not going away.
So when me goes up from 1968, me produced my first song, me and Stranger Cole, a tune named Pretty Cottage with Stranger Cole and Gladdy. And a pair of me musician me bring out.
Wow.
So when we bring out the man out the street, none of them realize, say, wait, we can't earn, in a 2 days, we can't earn more money when we are in a reason camp. The man then start runway, start absent from camp.
Okay.
So when take a start now, after me do my 6 years now, me have to leave because them say me make the sort of them broke out of camp. For come on street, come play music.
Yeah.
Yeah, I call Clive on and all them man, they run away. And them start through me, so me have to just leave army too.
So, all right. So in the 70s, and Tommy, both on it from in the 70s, which reggae artist was like, as I said, the tune with Bob Marley, but me know before Bob Marley, they have.
All right.
Bob and them time,
You have
Delroy,
you have Bob and the Delroy,
John Wold.
the Paragons.
Yeah.
You have Alton Ellis, Artens Ellis. You have the Melodians, Tony Brummett was a top man.
Vintage years.
You have the Gay Lads.
Before Bob Marley even boss and
No, the whole of the man them are going good, but them are compete against each
Them a
other.
compete against each
so
other.
you get, but the man who come upset the scene, are you right? You right?
make me know how you right upset the scene.
Well, Uri used to play a song named Dickies. And Tubby's built a sound. When Tubby's built a sound, he built a small sound and play for a youth named Course Up. So we encourage him, through the sound so good, we encourage him to build a bigger set. So he never come out back with a set, but when him come out, when him take about 1 year and build a nice set. So when him come out with the set now, I still him Tubby's a play. So him want a selector now and them start telling about this guy Uri. So when Uri come now, him eventually tell him land Uri upon the sound. Everybody have follow King Tubby's got the best sound ever hear. And when Uri come upon the sound now, everybody will record on Orange Street as a tune press. And Uri I get it. So him start practice on the man them tune like the Paragons and the this and the that.
Toast
pan
the tune them.
And Tubby's hear it and carry him to Joe Creed because Tubby's was a Joe Creed man. And I saw him start go up on the tune them. And with the first one, Joe Creed let off. I was trying to tell you the first one let off. Wear it to the ball. Wear it to the ball. As a ball game that. About 5 come after that. Uriah from 1 to 5. And then the man have 6 and Uriah have 7. Bust up the chart.
But in them days, it was you right, but which one was first, Big Youth or you right?
Uri, man. Uri. Then Keith Hudson bring on Big Youth. Come to his 90s gang. And that mash up the place. And then him put him on old fashion wear with him. And do some other tune with him. Because Keith Hudson was also a friend of mine. Because we two live at a while them time there.
Wow.
He used to live at Brooklyn too, you know.
Yeah, no, Queens. Queens from Jamaica Avenue.
Yeah. We say about the National Avenue.
Yeah. He was a dentist.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yo, I want to talk some more history, but I want the man them play some tune. Cause too much tune there, we don't play no tune. We don't even play 5 tune all
No,
no.
but you have to give the man...
We'll give them some history, man. But we'll give them some tune too.
Yeah.
We'll give them some music too. We'll give them little music. Yeah, remember, I know. Tommy have to dub them too, you know.
You play
And
some
some people want to hear the dub them, you know. All
No,
right.
me don't care too much dub, you know.
You no matter. You no matter.
You just carry some-
You
First
carry
of
some
all,
tune.
First of all, let me correct you. I know dub the thing name. Special are the right name for the thing.
All right. Tommy carry some special.
Right.
Right?
Special.
Special.
Here what dub is now. You make a tune and all a year straight me a play it on dub. And that we call dub or the dub for your tune.
Dub.
The right name for the thing is special. The man if you stop talk this food
Dub,
talk
how we
about a
make
dub.
How we make a
Yeah.
pre-release.
That mean what that, you know.
But we are telling the right name for the thing
Yeah,
is
but-
special.
Yeah, but me know that, but you don't know.
That's why we are trying to correct it. And we have to keep correcting
We have to
it.
correct it. All right.
Well, what more about the people them know right now? This is Dennis Brown last album before him leave Earth.
And I'm Vice the last 4 tunes with him before him leave Earth.
This is Dennis Brown, the last album him ever make, sing pon. Two of them involved in it. Two on, right?
Well, no. Dan separate.
Yeah, the last, you Vice the last 4 tunes.
My tune, 3 invite 4 tunes. 2 for generally, 1 for ranking. And say, Tommy put on your tape, because long time about them. And when him done, I say, because the man them love Vice and come big, you cut and make up album for them. So I say, me no unite with you. Him say, boy, you playing. I say, but I shoot. Because you pay them for your tune and then come big, you cut. So I get paid twice. I say, me no unite. Invite my tune 3 o'clock in the morning. And then go Brazil, get sick and night that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
You bring a tune, eh?
No. Still the family.
Me vex. Me vex. Me vex.
The next time you come and bring it.
When him finish the album, I straight to Brazil him go.
Straight up, when you finish the album.
Yeah, him go further than Brazil.
Remember the album?
Him and Greg Isaac, yeah.
All right, we're going to play some tune. The last album. Tell a friend, share the life.
So
Dennis Brown,
I'm
last
here at the
album.
finishing.
All right, run some tune out for the album. Run some tune out for the album, I done one.
Whoa, whoa, now. Hey. Whoa.
Share the life, share the life.
Now I've got to be a winner. Yes. Can't afford to be no loser. Feel the joy that success often brings. Could even make you dance and sing.
Our sound, give it a thumbs up.
Earth love the Lord's anointed.
Hey, put up a tune from top. Yo, Dennis Brown, Father Brown, you know what I'm dealing with?
Big up King Addies, Father Ika.
Whoa, now.
Dan One Production, the last album, you know what I said? Dan One, New York City, you know what I'm dealing with? Show some respect to the producers, them.
Now I've got to be a winner.
Remember, certain time in the building, we never reach Tommy party, you know.
Afford to be no loser. Feel the joy that success often brings. Could even make you dance and sing.
D Brown.
Earth love the Lord's anointed. He won't do you no wrong, no. Blessed is the child who has his own.
Man, them tune are done. We don't have a pin no right, man. You have to talk about Dan One tune them. Him wanna let tune them, so you have to kind of pin right thing. Pin it still. Pin it. You don't know them people from the, you know. From the beginning, well.
Whoa, whoa, now. Hey. Whoa, whoa, now. Now I've got to be a winner.
Everything good, yeah, man. Thumbs up.
Can't afford to be no loser. Feel the joy that success often brings. Could even make you dance and sing. Earth love the Lord's anointed.
Share the life.
He won't do you.
Your digital English. Big up, bless up yourself, my brother. Bless up yourself. Dan One digital English.
Yes, my boss.
Yo!
As his own.
Well, on, yo, we soon send a request. We soon upset the request. Well, on, man.
No. Call me a winner. Call me every time. Call me a winner. My soul is divine.
Yo, I want whole album, you know. So I want whole album, so you don't know. We can't play one tune off of the album. We have to play 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whole heap of tune off of the album.
Appear it upon this.
See it? What is that, Dan One? Up here, what?
Appear it tune upon
I
this.
be a tune upon it. All right. Dan One say I be a tune upon it, so we have to play some of the tune, tune them off of the album. See it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, share the life. Tell a friend. Certain time at the building, Dan One at the building. You know me I deal with Real Talk IG each and every Sunday.
as fast as I can, yes. Your arms, they don't hold me no more. You ought to know the score, for sure.
Voila, no man.
Ought to know, well, the score, for sure, the score. Tit for tat, and butter for fish, yes. Like a
Make sure you support the thing, you know. Dan One Studio, you know me I deal with. Brand new Dennis Brown album, it did a store long time. And the last one him put out, you know me I deal with.
it never get gone, no. Never get happy on my way.
Them tune with the album I released from about 2000, so.
If you can.
All over Europe, it a run red. So all American people get used to it. Jump on the thing, jump on the thing.
As I can, yeah. Love has no color, love has no barrier. Love is for real, it's like having a real deal. I'll be on my way, oh Lord, I'll be on my way, moving as fast as I can, yes. Catch me,
Yo, too much tune there on, man. Too much tune there on, man. D Brown, man. Dan
be
One.
mine, alright.
Pull up, yeah, stop, yeah, tap. You know me I deal with. Father than in the building, share the life. Tell a friend, Richard, take big up yourself. Big up all, Dan One
Richie.
click.
Be mine, alright. Yeah. Oh, never.
Dennis Brown.
What if I should ask you to be my lover? Would you stay in my corner? Yeah. I'm feeling kinda sick. Girl, come to my rescue real quick.
Yo, baby, we bless up yourself, my brother.
Yes.
One love, baby, wait. Long time.
You alone know every corner. Though I don't wanna see my bother. Don't wanna be a bother. No way, no. I've got it in.
Hey, tell a friend from now, you know, tonight at overtime, you know, me see it from now, me see it from before, me walking in the building.
Yeah, now, listen what I'm saying. Come to me, set my heart free, girl. Come to me, say you'll be mine endlessly, yes. Come to me, set my heart free.
Dennis Brown, man.
Come to me, say you'll be mine endlessly, girl.
Yeah, man, you don't know, reaching out to all the ladies them on the live, you know me, I say, D-Brown say, come to me, set your heart free. You know me, I say, every day, each and every Sunday, you can tune in on the LP Real Talk Live.
Hey, baby, glow for me, yeah.
Listen to Tuna.
I've got news for you. Gonna have candlelit dinner for two. Please appreciate my view. I'm gonna have dinner for two. Yeah.
Well, I know.
I'm coming home tonight. Yeah. Hoping
Pull up a tune from top, man. What do you, man? That tune too bad, man. Pull up a tune from top, man. Dan One production, you know me I deal with.
Hey, baby, glow for me, yeah.
Share the live.
Wonder, I've got news for you. Gonna have candlelit dinner for two. Please appreciate my view. I'm gonna have dinner for two. Yeah. I'm coming home tonight, yeah. Hoping everything will be alright.
Father Brown, man.
Then I'll be satisfied.
Yo!
Yeah. I've got this song for you. You and me holding hands together, it's true. Don't think of the weather, my dear.
Well, I know.
Stay with me, have no fear. No.
Yo, Mr. Fire upon that tune, man. What do you man? That tune, the bad man. That tune, the two bad man. Dan one production. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Dan one at the building, Sir Tommy at the building. On the reason, I'm going to get nicer. That's all he can do. Just get nicer.
Enough true
See?
we have to play.
Enough.
Whoa, now, this love now. Oh, it's best to rise with a smile on your face.
Tap that tune. Yo, pull up that tune, man. Everybody, you don't know. You rise this morning, you never expect Dan one for there. You never expect Sir Tommy for there. And you never even expect yourself for there neither. But you're here.
But we're there.
We're there. See, and we're there in living colors, life colors, tuning on the land, each and every one. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa,
We're not going nowhere.
this love now. Oh, it's best to rise with a smile on your face, yeah. Just like the sunshine all over the place. Don't be like the night when it's dark. 'Cause darling, you're the nearest to my heart.
Everybody.
Won't you dance, dance, dance this reggae music. Dance, dance, dance this reggae music. All your friends say you should dance with me. Oh darling, why won't you let it be? Yes, don't sit around and just
Boy, Tommy said the turntable sounds sweet, boy. Me agree with you too.
come on and let it be. Why won't you dance? Dance.
Final is final.
Yeah, man. R.I.P. Father Brown. R.I.P. F.L. Anywhere you sit down, anywhere you're standing, just go and sleep. You know me I say? Dan one at the building, Sir Tommy at the building. It's LP, Real Talk, IG. Album I play is Dan one production, released 2000. 2000. See? Tomorrow everybody just check out that album. See?
Oh yeah now. Oh Lord. Yeah now. Feel it. Oh.
Father Brown, man.
Tonight is the right night, and the right night is the right time to show you.
Pull up, yo. Now we're done. Bless up yourself, my brother. Bless up yourself, my brother. You see, tonight, listen what D-Brown tell everybody upon the live, man. Everybody upon the live, because tonight is a history night. You know what I say? I have to bless up Grams Marga who check in upon the live. Lady and who check in upon the live. You know what I say? Tonight.
Oh yeah now. Oh Lord. Yeah now. Feel it. Oh.
D-Brown.
Tonight is the right night, and the right night is the right time to show you. I'd like to know you, girl. Know you, girl. Tonight is the right night, and the right night is the right time to show you. I'd like to know you, girl.
Yeah, man.
No, yeah. Come and stay with me in my lonely corner. You're a winner. Could be a soother, yeah.
D-Brown.
I'd like to know you much better. Try to stay together forever, just like a stamp to a letter. Tonight is the right night, and the right night is the right time to show you.
But yo, pull up that tune, them man. Tap that tune, them man. From top, you know me. I said, that one, you have something to say to them. You have anything you want to tell the people, them. You play that tune, you give me a special tune. That one, me tap all the Dennis Brown, you know, so you don't know what I'm going right now.
You know, some have some enough good tune.
All right, make them know about the 45 over here.
It's a 45, yeah. It's an American Yankee named J.D. Smooth sing this. And if Ernest Wilson hears him cry, I'm singing it wicked. Listen this, and Dying Love.
J.D. Smooth, listen to tune now.
Just like the rain that falls from the sky, my love for you will never die, will never
Well, I know.
die.
Tap him on the people and say pull up, so I have to put it up from top, you know me I deal with. J.D. Smooth, you know me I deal with. Why there I will see them tune them on him cry, and I tell them. Yo, Ernest Wilson, yeah.
Just like the rain that
Yeah, big up all the Clarendon and them. Alright, Clarendon people them.
from the sky, my love for you will never
We'll never
die, will never die, will never die.
Yo, ladies, sleep, bless up yourself, my sister.
The wind that blows,
Lady Maxine in the building.
I'll never let you go.
Yo, Camille, bless up yourself, my sister.
Never let you go. No. Never let you go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now. Never let you go. Never let you go. Never let you go. My love for you will never change.
Yeah, pull up. You know, you see that one and third time they want to discuss. Yeah, man, them brother, them love the music, me not tell no lie. Cause all them there and them play the tune, them still at debate. Yo, me shall drop that way, me say, you know. Me shall drop it, they say, you know. History this afternoon, man. Share the live, man. Dan one night building. Tommy in the building. We haven't reached no tune yet. We not play nothing yet. Yo. Early warm. Warm up, Milan. Warm up, Milan. J.D. Smooth, yo. Now you take that singer, bud.
You were so into it. You told me secrets that you never told us. So you were so nervous and yet also comfortable.
That one production.
As we explore our visions of love, I drink your wine and you drink mine. I kissed your lips.
Yo, them tuna can't play one time, than one, man. Coulda never, man. Coulda never. Yo, so Tommy sit down and I go and read. Yo, Tommy just a think. He can't wait to forward, you know. He can't, yo.
Last night, you were
See how we do
so
that.
into
Every man is shoot him one time, you know.
Show me
Yeah, man, that's a respect.
Definite. Take it through life, every time.
About you.
Yet also comfortable as we explore our visions of love. I drink your wine and you drink mine.
Yeah, big up the reggae boy sound.
You felt my body step into your soul.
Tommy, some people say they need some Little John, but you have a whole Little John don't play them, right? Them say they need some Little John don't play it, you know. Yeah, Tommy say shh later.
Don't push it, don't push it.
Don't push it, don't push it.
You know, we play the most Little John and sound, man.
Yeah, the man saying play the most Little John. Most Little John. Say Tommy, son.
John America, and we make John, you know.
Yeah, I have to big up my sponsors. You don't know me. I say big up my sponsors. Big up my sponsors. Yo, Rumble. It's not Rumble in the Bronx. It's not Rumble in the Brooklyn. It's Rumble Talk. Each and every Thursday, yeah? Yo, Joe, big up yourself. Iron Vice. Bless up yourself, my brother. Yeah, man, tell a friend, man. Dan one in the building, third time in the building, you know me I deal with. We don't reach no way, no reason, you know me I say? And we don't play no tune yet that much. One and few. Just touch a little tune them. Dan one production.
Oh boy, baby girl, Lord, yeah. They come with me.
Yeah, must have played turntable. So yeah, turntable have to go. Me feel you have to go back to the turntable.
Yo.
All you have fight it, you know. Me feel you have to go back to this.
Tommy, we cannot fight it.
Boy,
My turntable always
you look like
in
you
the
really have to go
studio.
back to the turntable.
No, you don't know. When you know a thing, you know. You have to just get back the feel back in here.
Yeah, we
And
see
you
it.
don't know. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
Just like the
yes,
boardwalk. You remember the boardwalk?
Yeah, yes, sir, nice.
Nice, man. You can't forget the turntable.
Yeah, man.
Yo, baby,
Turntable,
cool. Cool, sweet. Turntable days. Hey, Ashona, Leroy Siblings. You don't know. Taking a tuna. Dan one production. No, way. Back up. Baby low. Best.
Baby girl,
Yo, Keisha Martin in the building. Bless up yourself, Miss History.
they come with me, my love, to the sea of love. And I wanna tell you how much I love you. Now do you remember the time?
Yeah, Dan man. You know me play that tune earlier? The whole group. Earlier I played a bad piece of tune, you know. Leroy Siblings went earlier I played the whole group. Barry sing. Barry sing.
Oh boy,
Leroy Siblings, yo. Big up all the ladies and bless up all the ladies and upon the life. Bless them up.
they come with me, my love, to the sea of love. And I wanna tell you,
We are taking back the original style, man. 45,
I love
LP, 12-inch, and some dub plate, you know.
Now do you remember
No CD, no computer.
the time we met? Oh, that day, I know I won't forget. And I wanna tell you how much I love you. Say, come with me to the sea, and do you remember the time we met? Oh,
You're Digital English. Bless up yourself, my brother. Bless up yourself. One next producer. And next, you know, me I say, in a New York City from back then, the man used to fight for the reggae music.
Yes,
Yeah, man, they used to fight for it back then. Bring all of the English thing them forward too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know, my David? So, me have to bless up all of the foundation, Tommy, Dan one, all of the man who set the thing before we. I have to bless it. And we can't forget the memories. We can't forget them things there. See? So now for the youth them, today, share the life, because the reason no start.
I don't know what's wrong, what's going on. I I don't really know the deal, but you've been acting strange.
Razor.
Lady, is your love still real? Every time I call your phone,
R.I.P. Marlon Stewart and Roman Stewart. R.I.P.
You say I don't spend no time, but I gotta make mine. Why you wanna stop me from shining? Every time I go away, that's when you start acting strange. But I gotta do what I gotta.
Hey, pull up a tune, man. A New York artist, you know, New York singer from back then. You know me, I deal with brand new tune, but and a new tune. But it new to some of them here.
Them never put them tune up on the street.
You don't put them on the road?
No.
New tune then. A new tune then. Brand new razor, than one production. You just, yeah man, so you must mix them and keep them for personal use.
Yeah.
See? But today, we're going to get a treat.
And a vinyl them I play upon right now.
Special.
If I come to the building, forget them tune.
Special.
One more time, baby. What's wrong? What's going on? I don't really know the deal, but you've been acting strange since the other day. Lady, is your love still real? Every time I call your phone, you're never home. Why you wanna leave me alone? You say I don't spend no time.
Yeah man, New York artist, Razor.
Why you wanna stop me?
Bad little singer.
Every time I go away, that's when you start acting strange. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Make my money. Every time I go away, that's when you start acting strange. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Make my money. I will make it up to you. I promise you, I'll do what I gotta do. I will spend all my time, cause you're so fine. I just wanna make
nice
it mine. I don't wanna lose you, girl. Stay in my world. Tell me that you won't go away. I don't wanna lose you, babe. Just say you stay and give me one more day. Every time I go away.
Yo, put up a tune. Yo, pull up. Yo, tap that tune. That what do you? Some of them have to show off whole record, you know. Because some of them just hold the record and put on a fingerprint all over the record. We none of them thing there. See it? So, then when I play a couple more tunes, you know me I say, time I'll get him thing line up and we are going to go back in some more reason. Because we're not going to leave here. We have all evening.
And we have enough tune.
And we have all night and we have enough tune. See? Enough tune overload. Ocean of tune. Of course. Ocean of tune we have one. I'm a bit in the life, that's it. Ocean of tune. Alright? That tune I'm going to play right now. That one say play anything off of the album. See? Because that one really and truly, you know, enough tune you produced, you know. Whole heap of tune you produced, you know. Enough tune where people don't even know, you know. Enough album to you know.
You wrote me to go my thing them.
Alright. That tune, right, Frankie Paul, R.I.P., brand new Frankie Paul album. Listen to some Frankie Paul tune. See it? Dan One Production.
Don't let me wait. Oh, yeah. Let me wait. Don't let me wait, baby. Tonight is right to hold me tight and love's got me high. Please tell me yes and don't say no, honey.
Jamaican Stevie Wonder, man. You think I lie?
Now move a little close to me. In more ways than one, I refuse to leave until I see the morning sun creep through your window pane. 'Cause love won't let me wait. No, baby. Tonight
Yeah, man. Dan One Production.
turn down the lights and take my hand. Baby, yeah. We'll take a flight and spend the night in Wonderland. I need your love so desperately, 'cause only you can set me free when I make love to you.
Yeah, big up opportunity, bad man. Then big them up. Bless up yourself. Yo, Lyndon, bless up yourself, my brother. I'm Atlanta crew.
that love won't let me wait.
Yeah, man, Frankie Dancehall, Paul, Jamaica, Stevie Wonder, you know what I'm saying?
Na na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh okay, ooh na 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 na, oh na 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 na.
Share the life, man. The reason, yo, share the life, man.
Yeah. First time I saw you, baby, you were acting shady, you were driving me crazy. I don't know what I've done to you now, baby. You were acting funny, acting lazy. I don't know what I've done to you now. Now you're making me look bad. On your face you're sad. I tried my best to do what I could do. Baby, stop playing games. I don't want it no more. Baby, stop tripping. First time I saw you, you were acting.
Hey, some man woman wicked too, you know. Yeah, man, I sing out him heart, man.
Oh, yeah. You were acting shady, you were driving me. You better stop tripping. First time I saw you, lady, you were acting shady. Stop, you were driving me crazy.
What on the man?
Oh, baby, oh, baby. I wonder why you cry all night in your sleep.
Yo, Ryder, bless up yourself, my brother.
And every time you cry, my knees get weak.
Yo, Junior Ryder, Ryder, I get up on the program one day, you know. Bless up yourself. You know what I deal with?
Once upon a time, yes.
Frankie Dancehall, Paul, Dan One Production.
Once upon a time, I almost lost my mind. I was lonely.
Well, I know.
I was lonely, girl. Once upon a time.
Yo, pull up them tuner from top, man. What do you think them tuner can play one time? Eh? You think of one time? LP Real Talk IG each and every Sunday, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend from 6 to 9, but you know the reason already.
Once upon a time, I almost lost my mind.
I was lonely.
I was lonely, girl.
Where Frankie Paul say?
Once upon a time. You would come my way. I was lonely. I was lonely, girl. Once upon a time. I never knew what love could do.
Well, I know, man.
I was lonely.
Frankie Dancehall, Paul. I say once upon a time. Hey. Frankie, you should teach me for singing. You know. How I do now?
Baby. Tell me your story, and I'll tell you mine. You know the two of us were one of a kind.
Yo, Dan One. What you do this evening, Dan One? Are the first me I hear some of them tuning are done. Are the first, you know? Frankie Dancehall, Paul.
Baby. Tell me your story, and I'll tell you mine. You know the two of us were one of a kind. I will do anything that your heart desire, 'cause I'm saving all my love. I'm saving all my love.
And then
I'm saving all my love for you. Hold me closer like you never did before.
Share the life.
Don't stop, baby. I love you some more. 'Cause I'm saving all my love. I'm saving all my love. I'm saving all my love for you.
Dance nice, man. Dance nice, man. What me say? Dance nice, man.
Take a look into my crystal, look into my think of things that lovers always do. Always do. Now I'm with you. It's like a mystery. I know I feel so good I cannot hide.
Well, I know, man.
When I look into my crystal ball, I see the future. I see you by my side, and nothing can change. Forever, my baby. I wanna fill your heart with love. I promise I'll never let you down. No, baby. There's one thing I'm asking, is you to turn my life around. I don't wanna do the things I've done before. No.
Yeah, man, LP Real Talk, IG, each and every Sunday, you know me, I say tell a friend from 6 to 9, and you don't know, we always go over the time when a special guest in the building. Like I'll done one, and you don't know, Tommy in the building, I have to go over the time. See? So, if you miss all that show, you can check it up on the YouTube channel. You know what I say? Check it up on the YouTube channel if you miss a show, and make sure you like, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. See? So, that one, production, same way, you don't know, and then we sidecar so because you don't know the combination thing. You know what I do with? So,
I'm asking you to turn.
yeah man. Start the tune from top, from the beginning.
Problems, baby, and I've got mine. So let's get it on from dusk till dawn. Baby, you keeping me safe and warm.
Well, I know.
I like your style, girl. You driving me wild. You make my day, you brighten my nights. You make me feel.
Yeah, man, big up the sponsors, big up the YouTube channel too.
Sugar and spice, all that's nice, like wild. Girl.
Remember LP, YouTube, LP. I just type in Real Talk IG, you know what I say? LP International 718.
You're like a memory, like wild. Baby, you're true to me, like wild.
I know some show that they don't want to see. Some show miss you don't want to see. Want tune in on them show there.
Baby, those fancy clothes you're wearing makes me stare.
Yeah, man, Frankie Dancehall Paul, you know what I say? Wait, say, flip it over and play the next one. You want to play that one there? They have too much tune. Yo, Ocean a tune owner. Ocean and Potion a tune owner. See?
How could I ever let you slip away? Never know.
Yo. After that, yo, that one, give him some history on that tune, because me no know that one. Me no know. No, sir. Bless up everybody on the land. But the mic off, Tommy, let them on a patsy, let them patsy over there.
Them tune are some vibes tune. I just say them tune and like them, and they think we can do a better version and them and just do them over.
The vice them back over.
Yeah.
Alright? You want me to tell them artists, or you want me to show them back
Yeah,
over?
Ambalik do this. Play by Computer Paul and Noel Alfonso. Yeah, Ramon the Mexican.
See it?
Original name.
Get used to that, brother, you see it? And get used to the tune. The man saying just like the tune them, so he must make somebody just do them back over.
Just be a boom tune, me, you know.
Be a boom tune. We're going to run the tune them. We're going to hear the tune them.
How could I ever?
Remember them tune that stay here, you know? They're not going to They're going to stay here, so, yeah? And if you don't want them, just check that one. You hear me I say? You don't know the studio there, yeah?
I'll be singing this song someday. Now I'm sinking to rise no more. Ever since you closed the door, if I could turn back the hand of time, then my darling, you still be mine. If I could turn back the hand of time, then my darling,
that's nice, man.
still be mine. Funny how time goes by and blessings are made think of a night. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why should I have to go on suffering when every day I breathe? Please come back to me. If I could turn back the hand of time, then my darling, you still be mine. If I could turn back the hand of time, then my darling, you still be mine.
Well, on, man. We have about 3 minutes, man. Before we start the live back over, you know, refresh the live and tell a friend for tell a friend. We're not going nowhere. We're just starting, refreshing the live and start it back over. Dan one not moving a muscle. Tommy not moving a muscle. But I'm going to play one more tune before the live end because you don't know we have a couple tunes to play after this. Hey, the founder selector can't play them tune and the founder, you know, no part to play them music.
Here we are, together as friends, talking it over, this is where it all ends.
Light up, yo, light up!
I wanna know, when did it all go wrong? Please explain, try to understand. I wanna know what's going on.
Yo. We're going to start the live back over. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Don't move a muscle. You don't know. We're going to refresh the live. End the one. Start it back over. The show no end. Just take a little break right now. 1 minute break. See it?